All right, we got a package in today. Looks like a big one. What does Kevin say? Christmas every day? Oh, it's both of them. Both of them in the same package. So that one's first one. That is the Vanguard.
There's a hole on top of the box.
Uh-oh. Looks very similar to the X or the EC30 boxes. Let's take a closer look at this. Yeah, it's almost identical. HBX has got to be the same as the ESG Twister, same company. All right, so this is our official unboxing of our HBX 903 brushed 112 scale. Model is a Vanguard. Let me get a knife out. You got your knife on you there, babe? Cut there, cut there. One more knife. One of these has got to open. Oh, one there. Okay. Open her up and slide her out. Take a look at her first, and then I'll get the battery charged. Oh, very similar to the other. Got manual stickers. We like stickers. Very similar to the Yashin. Even the warning labels.
Ooh, those stickers look cool.
Yeah, we'll put them all on. Break down all the parts. They always do a good job on the manuals. All right. Oh. You excited, Lauren? So this is Lauren's rig. Pretty cool. Should be a controller in the bottom.
Yes, it's in the bottom.
Oh, I love doing that.
Use a fit.
So we got, yeah, your standard, same battery that you get from the machines. Extra tabs. That's a good thing. You might have a battery already charged. We'll get this on the charger and we'll do a quick rip. Yep, same controller as the EC30. It's got a thumb button. I like these controllers. I really do. And they're all interchangeable, which is nice because you could bring one and any of the HAIBOXINGs or the EC30s can use the same controller. All right, take the lid off of that thing. Let's see what's inside.
They're not broken on this one.
I know, right? I made a complaint about that. And we got extras too.
There's a battery in it too.
Cool. So we got 2 batteries. Looks like it's an all-in-one deal, but it's got a 3. Again, this is the brushed version, and it's got all-in-one controller, ESC, but it's got a 3-wire servo, so we just have to replace that maybe with a hobby wing and get our other one on there, but we'll do that later. Looks like there's lights hooked up. There's, what's the warning say here? Do not touch, motors hot. Dur, dur, dur. All right. Let me see. Oil shocks. The first version of these 903s didn't have oil-filled shocks, so looking pretty good. What's the underside of that look like? It's pretty flimsy, but it'll do. We ordered a couple extra bodies. They'll be coming later. Pretty exciting. All right, let's get the battery charged and we'll be back to do a quick rip because it's getting pretty nice out today. It was freezing. Maybe we'll put stickers on too. Back shortly. Come do some donuts.
I'll make it record yours.
Okay, rip it. Well, it's brushed, honey. You notice it doesn't change its speed going on the gravel to the grass. Like buggies, they slow right down in the grass. These don't care. It's about torque, not speed, you know? So, all right. Do that again. Try that again. I missed it. That is a huge difference, but it's probably shocks and servo. And the upgrade along.
That was awesome. I did like a. Try doing an actual loop. The control's really good. Like you can. You look at, you can fit and work your way in between the car and the thing. You can't do that with yours.
Well, this is the conclusion, I guess, of the review on this HBX 903. I really enjoyed this car. My daughter loves it. I mean, she absolutely loves it. Handles very nice. I don't know. Looking at the inside, you got the design is very much like the Eachines. I like the way the towers are more like a second swing arm, like some of the old Tamiyas, kind of. Be nice if you could put a 540 in this, but it looks like you're stuck with the 390 size. Nice thing is this thing is easily upgraded. That's what we're going to do next. I got a $13 60 amp ESC coming. We're going to try that out as a cheap upgrade. Suspension was great. They're not the best in the world, but it handled way better than the 110. Steering was way better. One bad thing is this steering servo snapped. And I got one on order, but I'm going to look and see if they have an aluminum one. The servo saver is just got disintegrated. Let's see if I have it laying around over here somewhere. Oh, I'm sure I do. Whatever. I put a better battery in. It is quite a bit faster without the lithium ion. Didn't seem to get warm. I didn't notice the anything overheating or cutting out or anything like that. The lights is a nice touch. One note I did mention earlier that you can connect with the EC30s. This is the EC30B. See, it's very, very similar. But when you connect with this one, steering is dramatically slower, and the top speed is lower. So something in this controller throttles it, and it probably has something to do with this high-low speed thing on there. When we went to the regular one, it was faster. Yeah, what else? All metal dog bones. What else? I don't know, everything seems really nice. Overall, real happy with this. We got it for $94. I was going back and forth on getting the brush version because it's right now it's on sale for $144. But I got this and the other car for $150, both of them shipped, and that's kind of what my price point was. And for $13, I have a Dumbo that we just move the receivers around. And that's probably going to come right when the servo saver comes. So we'll get those in there, and we'll do that as the first upgrade, cheap upgrade, because that's, if I get a Dumbo on there and the 60 amp gives me a little more juice because it is 3S capable, so I'm more comfortable now. I believe this is supposedly 3S capable. Yeah, it says 3S, but I'm a little nervous about that. Anyways, I do have another one of these bodies coming, but I might put that on the 110 because I think it'll fit nice. All in all, let's see, the bottom of the chassis is a little different than some of the other ones. It reminds me of like your, like a Traxxas. It's got that curved, beveled bottom, a little extra support where the drive shaft is, which is good. See about a skid plate or something, that'd be nice. Yeah, all in all, I think it's a great buy if it stays around the under $100. It's a good platform to start on. But if you want the more speed out of the box, like tinkering, go with the brushless version because that's the main difference. The truck body it's different. It's a gray, so if you like this color, and that was a big part of it too. My daughter was really like this body shape, so you can buy them. I think it was $11. I got a red, white, and blue one. Shocks are, like I said, shocks are good. Yeah, just a great little rig. I'm pretty happy we got it. Like and subscribe, and I hope you dig it. See ya.